Good evening. My name is Kelly Graves. I'm a student at Aspen University. My final project in informatics and healthcare is regarding online nursing education. I will begin my PowerPoint with discussing the objectives of this PowerPoint. To discuss online learning in nursing education, to discuss the impact on informatics on online learning, share scholarly research sources and the relationship to online education of nurses today and in the future, discuss legal and ethical concerns of online learning, discuss the plan of implementing the transition from classroom to online teaching/learning, and the final objective is to discuss the impact of public policy and technological advancement on online education. Online education supports an increased number of educated persons. 6.3 million students enrolled in online courses in the fall of 2016. The numbers are just growing. Online colleges have the potential to offer high-quality education standards. Online education offers flexible costs, payment plans, and course scheduling. Wide range of degrees are offered online, including bachelor's and above in nursing. High-quality online education. Standards. Standards are mandated requirements, specifications, and guidelines that are used consistently, ensuring resources, procedures, and support are appropriately in place to foster a successful learning environment. Standards improve student satisfaction, they enhance education quality, and they must be transparent, accessible, and adaptable to modifications. Standards continued. Quality online education. You must have standards. It's not indicated by the growth rate of a program, but it's demonstrated instead by the retention of students, by positive academic outcomes, and by hireability of post-graduation of the students. And finally, a production of high-functioning employees upon graduation. To sum it up, this more effort applied to understanding quality standards for online courses, the greater opportunity there is to provide students a better learning environment. Financial benefits to online learning. There's no need for campus or near campus housing. Many online courses are less expensive than campus courses. Creative payment arrangements are available versus traditional student loans. Ebooks are often less expensive and available to online students, less expensive than the physical books. Transportation and parking costs are eliminated as an online student. Flexibility of online learning. Study time is arranged around daily activities. Your coursework is performed at the student's convenience. Course material is always available via the internet and supports the balance of the student's work, family, and educational life. Online degrees offered via the World Wide Web. A bachelor's degree, BSN, over 7,000 BSN degrees are available online. There's over 500 schools available. Average tuition is approximately $21,500. Master's degrees in nursing. The degrees available over 13,500. There's over 550 schools with an average tuition of $25,500. Even doctoral degrees are available online. There's nearly 2,000 degrees available, nearly 300 online schools, and the average tuition for that doctoral degree in nursing is approximately $25,000. Online nursing schools in the United States. There's 368 online nursing schools at the last gathered material. Online nursing schools promote students pursuing a nursing degree while working and balancing a family life. It keeps educational costs down. It allows for online attainment of a BSN, MSN, or a PhD, elevating degrees to advanced careers, and also refine nursing skills to specialize in a certain area of nursing. One phenomenon added to nationwide nursing shortage is faculty shortage. Some institutions reporting a 5-year waiting list. Technology supporting distance education may be an opportunity to increase the number of students accepted into nursing programs and certainly the number of nursing educators that are being educated online, graduating from these online-based programs, and will continue to contribute to more students being trained as higher educated nurses. Distance education is defined as institutionally based formal education where the learning group is separated and where telecommunications technologies are used to unite the learning group. The one-size-fits-most form of education is no longer accepted by the diverse groups of individuals seeking education. Technology allows millions of people to achieve their educational goals, once considered impossible. Technology is endlessly affording tools allowing students to better manage time while creating quality educational products. Scholarly resources supporting the sustained use of technology to educate nurses online. Educational Technology Faculty Publications Presentations, Department of Education Technology, Boise State University, on January 1st of 2018. The headlines are Online Course Design in Higher Education, a review of national and statewide evaluation instruments. Sample of course standards. Constructing a quality educational online course requires quality standards. Continued evaluation of courses purpose provides authentication of quality of the program. High-quality courses are more apt to achieve high levels of learner satisfaction. Quality online courses result in better learning outcomes, and standards and peer review assist in the promotion of quality online courses. Sample of the course standards. You need objectives. They need to be accessible. You need to be able to navigate the site easily. Technology utilized in promotion of the learner engagement and facilitate learning. The learner needs to learner collaboration is supported so that the students may actually use one another to gain from one another. Instructor contact information is provided. Expectations of communication and participation is definitely needs to be stipulated. Assessments, rubrics for the grading assignments is provided and understood. Assessments support the objectives. Links to institutional resources are provided. And the course has accommodations for any disabilities that a student may have. And course policies are stated for behavior expectations. Quarterly review of distance education, the research that guides practice. So the next scholarly resource I would like to discuss is the Quarterly Review of Distance Education, Research that Guides Practice, an official journal of the Association for Educational Communications and Technology. Editors Michael Simonson and Charles Schlosser, Novus Southeastern University. The scholarly article supported that standards for online learning need to be transparent, that standards make it easier to utilize, to update, to integrate existing online tools. That makes it easier to progress. Frameworks need to be adapted to every educational institution, and standards are a must with online learning producing strong, successful nurses. Ethical concerns with technology in the classroom. Diploma mills versus a legitimate online learning establishments. That needs to be reviewed and schools must be researched to check for accreditations for quality of the education that they're offering. Technology allows access to ever-changing methods to beat the system. Educators must identify and curb cheating using all tools available because the students may be doing the same. The impact of technology on educators, students, society, study material, and academic institutions support the ease of cheating, plagiarism, and procrastination, and violation of privacy. Learning to be an online learner. There's always changes that are going to be made, and in education right now there's more students becoming online learners. It's important to learn to be an online learner. Persistence. You need to tolerate technical difficulties, request assistance when needed, apply time to each and every class every day, and persevere through those struggles. Perfect time management. Perfect your time management skills. You need to develop a good habit of being organized. Practice professional and effective communication skills. Obtain basic technical skills. Successful online learning requires independence, self-motivation, responsibility, and organizational skills. For successful learning, an appropriate learning environment must be created. Quiet or white noise that does not distract. Avoid cellular phone and other technology during your study sessions, unless, of course, it's contributing to your research at that time. You need to practice good ergonomics. A chair, keyboard, and screen, they all need to fit appropriately to your specific frame. Online education is being formed by legislatures that create public policy. Such policies determine how technological tools will be used in education, the form such tools will be assumed, and the access means to the tools by the learner. All is controlled by our policymakers. Government policies cannot keep up with the speed of the technological innovations that are being made and available to learners. Educators, policymakers, and those involved in education technology must be familiar with current policies. By understanding how policies work, that will assist in predicting how current policy will affect technology and learning in the approaching years. References are available. Thank you so much for your time.